Hello everybody, this is Mike. Welcome to my backyard garden. Today is an 8-week update from when we first started this back in February. You can see my yellow squash, get some small fruits, blossoms. Should be harvesting a couple of these by the weekend, end of the weekend. And these are green beans, lots of small beans on them. We'll be harvesting them in a week or less. Mystery plant, anybody knows what that is, let me know. Yeah, the cucumbers didn't transplant well. These are the ones grown in the egg container. It wasn't the egg container's fault, they were just transplanted too young. Small flowers and fruits on the larger cucumber plants. This is a clone of the big beefsteak tomato plant. It's doing well, lots of flowers on it. Beefsteak tomato plant that the clone was taken from. It's doing very well. Just the nice size fruits. Where are my nice size fruits there? Fruits everywhere. Beefsteak tomatoes. This is the one being grown with organic nutrients. Lots of tomatoes everywhere. These were the tomato plants, jelly bean tomato plants that I started from seed in the egg carton. They're doing well, lots of flowers starting to come on. Slowly but surely, the flat leaf parsley, Italian parsley is coming on, another clone tomato plant. All my mild jalapenos got chewed up at the stem by some critters. This is I planted in here today, it's a yellow banana pepper plant. I started in my AeroGarden hydroponics seed starting kit. Over to the hydroponic table. Hey Bart. Okay. Hydroponic table, as CB said in a comment, it's kicking. Sure is. Look at that. Italian parsley, been harvested once already. I'm going to do some more today for some chimichurri for my steak dinner tonight. Tomatoes on the beefsteaks are growing, fruits everywhere. You can see jalapeno plants. The same jalapeno plants that were chewed up by the critters out in soil is doing exceptionally well on hydro. See flowers and fruit coming on. Basil's been harvested 4 times already, looking for a 5th harvest any day now. Just keep it compact and trimmed back. Jelly bean tomatoes are just everywhere. Flowers are everywhere. The fruits are everywhere. Right? Yeah. Probably over 200 fruits easily on that guy. If not up to 400 if it continues to go. Culancho's still kicking. Oregano is doing the same. Again, this is Mike. You are in my backyard garden. I want to thank you for hanging out with me here. And hit the like button if you don't mind. Also, if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate it. It's very helpful. And thanks again.